The Empava Gas Range is the perfect solution for those seeking a reliable and versatile cooking appliance. Before we dive in, the link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you check the latest price for your convenience. This 30-inch range features a powerful and efficient cooktop with 4 high-performance burners. 2 of these burners provide an impressive 15,000 BTU of heat, while the other 2 deliver 9,000 BTU, making it versatile enough for everything from simmering and boiling to stir-frying, steaming, melting, or caramelizing. With these burners, you get even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. In addition to the burners, the Empava Gas Range comes equipped with a convection oven that has a spacious 4.2 cubic feet of cooking capacity. Whether you're baking a cake or roasting a turkey, this oven can handle it. The temperature range goes from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to cook your dishes to perfection. And with the 2 removable oven racks and 5 adjustable rack positions, you can accommodate a variety of food sizes. The convection system in the oven circulates heated air around your food to ensure even cooking, reducing cold spots and delivering uniform baking. You no longer have to worry about uneven temperatures while cooking. Plus, the oven has 2 halogen lights and a large window, so you can monitor your food without ever having to open the door. For safety, this gas range features world-class made-in-Italy Sabaf burners that are designed with flame failure thermocouple auto shut-off protection technology. This ensures that your home and family stay safe by preventing gas leaks in case of any issues. The gas range is convertible for natural gas or propane, with nozzles included for both types, giving you the flexibility to use whichever fuel is most convenient. The stylish stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the ergonomic knobs and triple-layer tempered glass provide both durability and an eye-catching design. Plus, this range comes with a 2-year warranty and exceptional customer service, so you can feel confident in your purchase. Empava has designed this gas range with your convenience and safety in mind, offering a freestanding or slide-in installation option without the need for professional installation. It is the perfect addition to any kitchen, restaurant, or home. For the latest price and more details, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your cooking with Empava.